Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join the Volleyball Legend Discord server. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Google Chrome, and once you are in the Google Chrome then you have to search for the roblox.com, and once you are in the roblox.com, in the search menu you have to search the Volleyball Legends like this, then you will get the Volleyball Legends game here. So if you click on the Volleyball Legends from here, and here it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded according to your internet speed, then you have to scroll down, then here you will get the option of join for leagues and more in the Discord icon. You have to simply click on it and it will take you to the another tab, and it will get loaded according to your internet speed. Since here you can see the invitation is already here, and here you have to click on accept invite, and here you can see Discord is loading the request, and again it's getting loaded. You have to be patient here because it take couple of seconds to get loaded, since Discord is accepting and processing your request. And after that, here you can see we have already joined the server here, and if you close the window, and here you can see you have already joined the server, and here you can get all the channels that you need for the Volleyball Legends. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.